Good morning! We enjoyed our very last breakfast in Corsica at the hotel. Once we had eaten and loaded the packs into the car, it was time to say our goodbyes to Saint-Florent. Since we had a later flight, we still had time to visit a nearby zoo. The drive from Saint-Florent should have taken about half an hour, unless, of course, you forget to turn the sound on your navigator. We ended up missing a turn and Google Maps decided to reroute us down a tiny bumpy gravel road. After realizing our mistake and backing out, we finally found the right path. When we arrived, we were told that the farm animal feeding was starting soon, and that was something I definitely didn't want to miss.
That's not for eating. I'm sorry.
There were several areas where you could actually enter the enclosures and get close to the animals without a cage between you. Here we are entering the Australian section. I'm just hoping that old joke about everything in Australia wanting to kill you isn't actually true. It was a scorching day, which definitely affected how active the animals were. Most of them were hiding in the shade, and honestly, I can't blame them. We would have loved a break from the sun ourselves. But we had to keep moving because there was still so much to see, and another feeding time was approaching.
Mikä siellä on teillä? Täällä oli ruokaa. Food color.
The heat was really starting to get to us. At the very least, I was sweating like a pig. This fox wasn't too amused by being filmed and decided to take off. So we took that as a sign to start heading back towards the entrance. There were still a few animals left to see that we had skipped at the start. I think this enclosure was supposed to have lemurs, but today it was just these goats grazing on the grass. I'm not sure where the main acts were. Maybe they preferred staying inside their huts where it's cooler. It's a shame we missed them, and we only saw the zebra's head peeking out from a distance. But it's better that the animals aren't forced to be on display if they rather stay hidden. From the zoo, we headed straight to the airport. We weren't in a huge rush, but it's always better to be early than late. We also had to return the rental car, and we weren't sure how long that would take. It turned out to be a surprisingly quick and easy process, which left us with quite a bit of time to kill.
Final meal in Corsica.
Astia Poretta is a pretty small airport with only a few tiny restaurants, so we would recommend not showing up too early like we did.
Tuleeko kaikki mukaan?
Muistatko nyt mikä voi meillä olla?
Nope.
As the plane gained altitude, we got one last glimpse of Corsica. From here, we are heading towards Germany to land in Frankfurt, where we will catch our connecting flight back to Finland late tonight.
Miten sä pääsit noin nopeasti?
While sitting on the shuttle to the hotel, we started wondering what to have for a late night snack. Since it was already past midnight, we ended up just ordering food to the room. We are staying at the hotel for one night and finishing the journey home in the morning after breakfast. It's definitely safer to drive after a good night's sleep than to push through the whole night. As we get closer and closer to home, we can't help but reflect on what a wonderful trip this has been. The only real downside was Linda's back problems, but otherwise we had no complaints. We loved our time in Corsica, and these are such great memories to look back on. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, it really helps the channel, and subscribe for more of our future adventures. See ya! Bye!